Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Wix pages and site history versioning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore Wix pages and site history versioning, start by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to the site you wish to restore. On the left-hand menu, select Site History. Here, you will see a list of previous versions of your site. Browse through the available versions to find the one you want to restore. Click on the three dots next to the version you wish to restore. Select Preview to see what your site looks like in that version. If you are satisfied with it, click Restore to apply the changes. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you want to proceed. Confirm the restoration to revert your site to that selected version. Now, to restore a specific page, go to the site editor. Navigate to the specific page you want to restore. Click on the page icon on the left toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Page History. You will see a list of previous versions for that specific page. Find the version you want to restore and click on it. Preview that version to ensure it meets your needs. If you are ready, click on Restore to overwrite the current page. Confirm your choice to finalize the restoration. Once the process is complete, review your site and pages to ensure everything is in order. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.